Welcome to Mini Miracles, Flags and Phonics. This video is about making your kids read Tamil and English words based on some particular theme. So, as we are celebrating Vinayagar Chaturthi, so I thought we can start with that. So, for that, I have taken a picture of Lord Ganesha. Okay, and I have stuck here, and then I have also written the Tamil name and the English name. Okay, so Vinayagir Chadu Ir Itti Vinayagar Chaturthi. At the same time, in English also Vinayagar Chaturthi. Actually, this word is a tricky word. The CH make ch sound, ch, a, th, the sound. So cha, the, u is making the third sound, u, r, th, e. Okay, so cha, du, r, ti, chadurti. Okay, so actually these are tricky words, but that is not necessary. You keep your kids reading this word again and again and just fixing it, then by the time they will know the blends also. Okay, so for that I have prepared it, and then I have also prepared some foam slips. Okay, I have written in Tamil and also in English. So first we'll see in Tamil it is laddu. So the child will see where there is laddu in the picture. So here is a laddu. So the child will place this, and if you are teaching English phonics also, so you can then ask your child to take the English word and then keep it on top of it. Okay, so this is laddu, and then ka in kan. So the child will place it on top of the eyes of Lord Vinayaka. So, and in English the child will search, so where is the eyes? Okay, so the kid will fix it like this. So like that I prepared for, see, the Ganesha ivory tandam, so that is called ivory, so we'll keep it here. And then the trunk tumbikai, so we'll take the tumbikai and keep it here, and it is called trunk in English, so that also we'll keep it here. So like this way we'll prepare everything. So this is kolkattai, so the child will take kolkattai, find out both the English and the Tamil word and fix it there. Then thengai, valaipalam, tamarai, so coconut, lotus, banana, so everything the child will search and keep it there. So by this way, on seeing the picture as well as reading the words, the child will be able to know so many words by fitting all these words there. Okay, so this is an easy method to teach many words at a time. So both English or Tamil you can do it. So this is an interesting way. So you just, all the wedding cards we get this Lord Ganesha's pictures, so you can just cut it out and do this activity. Okay, so this is the first activity. Then the next one connected with that, I have taken see some foam sheets and I cut into a round shape, and then in the, as that will represent laddu, and then this kolkattai shape. Okay, so for that I have taken the silver foam sheets. Okay, so what I have done is, so first to tell them that this is laddu, so I have just stuck these foam sheets, okay, for laddu and kolkattai. Okay, then here I have stuck only that it too, okay. Now the child will take, see, this is that laddu column, so the child will pick up one laddu and turn it and see what is this, what is written here, po. Okay, so po it two, po two. Okay, Then the child will take the next one. What is this? Ta. So ta, ittu, tattu. Then the next one is la, ittu, lattu. Then the next one is ko, ittu, kottu. So the child can keep it here or here, whatever it is. Okay. So same way, kattu and pa, ittu, pattu. Okay, so the child can keep it like this. So this way, this is a funny way to learn small words. Okay, by this way the child will be thorough with some small Tamil words. Okay, and then kolkattai. So now the child will pick one kolkattai. So cha, ittai, chattai. Okay, then ka, ittai, kattai. Ma, ittai, mattai. So what is this? So pa, ittai, pattai. Ko, ittai, kottai. Ku, ittai, kuttai. So like this you can form many words and help your kids read simple words at an early age itself. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please support my channel and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.